If Earth had rings today, they would most likely orbit along the equator. That means their appearance would change depending on where you are on the planet. At night, they would not disappear. They would reflect sunlight from the far side of Earth. A dim silver arc cutting through the darkness, bright enough to reduce the sharpness of the stars. Navigation would look different. Even the feeling of open sky would be different, because the sky would no longer feel empty. It would feel occupied. But beauty comes with consequences. If Earth had rings, they wouldn't simply hang in the sky as decoration. They would interact with the planet in subtle but measurable ways. If the rings were dense enough, they would block a portion of sunlight, not everywhere, not constantly, but enough to matter. Regions near the equator could receive slightly less solar energy over time, and small differences in climate rarely stay small. A slight reduction in sunlight would gradually cool surface temperatures. That cooling would alter evaporation across oceans and land. And when evaporation shifts, rainfall follows. Rainfall determines agriculture. Agriculture determines stability. Entire regions that were once fertile could become fragile. Growing seasons might shorten. Crop yields could decline, slowly at first, but persistently. Not enough to cause immediate collapse, but enough to create pressure. Storm systems could intensify as temperature differences between regions increase. Monsoon cycles could weaken or strengthen unpredictably. Glaciers in some areas might advance. In others, drought could deepen. Migration patterns, both human and animal, would begin to respond. The planet would not collapse overnight, but it would not remain balanced either, because climate is not a single event. It is a system, and when you alter one part of a system, the effects travel